Half right. Contact half right, danger close. Delta, get down.
Starlight Silver Lane's on your right side now.
Hello, Witchcraft 7-1, this is Ugly 5-1, checking over.
Roger that, eyes on.
Just making a right turn now to 360.
Ugly 5-1, say again, over.
Roger that, right turn. What is your coordinate? 60.
Ugly 5-1,
Right
mission
turn to
number
360.
1106. We are 1 times AH1 64D Apache on escort duties for Starlight. Currently
Speed
just
now,
south
160.
of checkpoint 1 at 600 metres. Ordnance as fragged.
What HLS you going to Starlight?
IR self-lays capable. Abort code, abort over.
We are inbound to HLS China, inbound 70.
Roger that, if you can push to IP3 Charlie to cover Starlight.
Apologies. Inbound from to the west.
Yeah, Ugly 5-1, roger, we're already escorting Starlight in, so we'll drop them onto the HLS and then we'll put ourselves in a right-hand orbit over.
Starlight, should confirm your current ingress into HLS, over.
Ground. Boost off to our 11 o'clock now. Front 1.
Roger, have the ability to launch your contacts to your position. Over. 70, way out on that find out we are ready to time. Roger.
Don't know if that was troops in contact back there behind us.
Roger, turn us around.
They've got smoke out especially, but that, I mean the HLS is on this road, so...
Yeah, they haven't got no landing a bit short, or they're descending, that's what they do.
So like a fucking 5-minute video or 6-minute video of just action for us. Very much.
Boom, boom, boom.
Eagle 1, this is Witchcraft 70. Go ahead.
I wish that was a Chinook.
You are clear to engage. Friendly forces are 800 metres to your south.
Watch that tree. Oh,
Engage.
oh, we're taking fire.
Yeah, Rog. Hello, Witchcraft
5-1 taking
7-1,
fire,
this is
sound
Ugly
like.
5-1, over.
70, send over.
Yeah, Ugly 5-1, we've just taken shots from somewhere. It sounded like...
Making left turn, left turn.
If you've got any eyes on any individuals, we can deal with them, over.
Slam on the brakes.
Witchcraft 70, what is your current plot?
Currently
IP3 Charlie.
holding above India Papa 3 Charlie, over.
Witchcraft 70, that puts, possibly puts the actual contact behind friendly forces over.
Okay, 5-1, roger. I'm doing a sweep, but I've got no visual over.
Witchcraft 70,
Oh, we're taking more.
Taking more.
One's contact in grid 00221.
Sounded east.
Could it be those over?
Sounded east.
Did sound east.
Yeah, Ugly 5-1, that may be. We were currently over the CCP and took fire from the east again. We're scanning, looking around for targets. At this time, it's no danger to us, over. Pretty sure.
Starlight, got eyes on you. We're going to make the same separation vertically.
Hello, Starlight, Witchcraft 70. Roger that.
Stand up.
Witchcraft 70.
We've got visual on shots.
Roger that, we are now receiving heavy machine gun fire from our directed north of the Trojan.
Right.
Roger.
Turn us a little north. I've got eyes.
There's some, I can see something
Eyes
down.
moving. You're out of my view, but yeah, there's a guy down over. There's a sniper or something. Just bring us looking north.
North somewhere.
Hello.
Oh, Roger, we're
Witchcraft
going to
7-1,
stay on
this is
station.
Ugly
We've
5-1,
just been shot out. Let's see if we get them after.
Yeah, would you like us to stay on station and provide support for you, over? I saw shots coming in from the north. We're scanning the hills now, over.
Witchcraft 70, roger that, we are taking fire up to the north of OP Trojan. Plus we are taking
We'll do that.
behind, yeah, over.
I might have eyes on target.
Open Trojan, I'll move in there.
You got eyes
Pull
on
us back,
what?
pull us back, bring us left. I've got eyes on that machine gun post position.
Situation, friendly forces remain the same. Over.
Fuck, I've lost it again. I've got eyes.
Roger that, 800 metres.
Witchcraft 7-1, this is ugly 5-1 over. That's him trying to shoot us. Yeah, we got eyes on the HMG position, firing at us in the air now. Do we have a position to take him out over?
I'll spin us around.
70. Roger, you are clear to engage friendly forces.
Stand by.
Yeah, I need us to go static to do it.
Alright, it's okay. We're gonna hit him.
Yeah, I'm not going to get him here, I've lost eyes. We need to go back where we were.
Yeah, I'm spinning us around to make sure we just can't get it.
Right, I think we'll put the brakes on.
Hold it.
It's ugly 5-1, guns. Got more targets.
Just going a bit rudder to the left. Are you happy with that?
Yeah, Roger, we've got them all. Wrong, Witchcraft 7-1, this ugly 5-1, BDA over. Yeah, BDA 100 over 100, 1 times gunner down, and also we got a few reinforcements that were pushing into the north of that position, over.
Oh, someone's having a little go.
70, thanks, Claire.
Previous call sign send over.
Still looking for over.
Ugly 5-1, Roger, we'll get back to our right hand orbit, give you guys overwatch. We are taking sporadic shots from 1 time single sniper. At this time, no danger over.
5-1, sorry, yeah, stand by.
Yeah, they got fucked up, mate. Like, we really did fuck them up.
Look, Eagle 5-1, say again, all of them.
That's his laser.
Okay, can you lock onto it?
Yeah, it's locked. Got men moving.
Have you got Hellfire lock on it if you switched?
Yeah.
5-1, we have a good lock on your laser, so it does work. I believe we'll have to wait for the FST commander to call through the contact for engage. We'll just call it through to him, stand by. Watching behind us and do this.
Yeah, Roger. Got a vehicle moving, is that? Yeah, that's friendly. Right. Right, I can see his laser through my IR, but I've got visual. Wait, that's the old enemy position. They're dead. Got no visual on the old targets now.
Give one, let us know when your laser hots for test out.
Oh, eyes on more enemy.
No, just
Actually, no, hang on. They look like they're wearing fucking parachutes, mate. They're friendlies.
oh, see it. I'll push a little bit further.
Right, unarmed individual on the hill. Walking back away.
Because that's the problem we've got with it. It's like saying, okay, we can raise
just going to give Witchcraft 7 on the sim.
Yeah, I'm just going to climb as well. Starlight, this is the 511.
I can't hear the radio. Why can't I hear?
5177.
I've turned the rate volume down. I knew something going on.
Oh yeah, that's why. You need to turn it back up. I can't hear if I can.
Done it, yeah.
Yeah. Still can't hear it.
I can't.
Hello, Witchcraft 7-1. This is Ugly 5-1 sim.
You can set multiple push to talks up as well.
Yeah, Ugly 5-1. We're currently scanning the ridge line. It looks like all targets are down. The ground elements look like they should be safe to push in over.
Starlight, this is 511.
He's so quiet.
517 Starlight over.
Can't hear it.
Starlight, are you currently in the AO or are you back at the airbase?
Ugly 5-1,
Currently
unworkable. I
in the
can't get you any louder. You're actually being drained out by the helicopter over. Huh?
Roger that, I've got eyes on you now. We're going to descend and provide us on the current. I'm now holding at 300, that was 50 metres.
Right, I've got eyes on one choggy running quickly, mate. Oh, wait. Oh! Visual on enemies, visual on enemies. Hello, Witchcraft 7-1, this is Ugly 5-1, sit rep over.
Hang on, I'm going to make a left turn, I'll bring us back. Sorry, right turn, I'll bring us back on the line.
Fuck, I don't know where that was. Oh, it was there.
Turn us around now. 570, send over.
Yeah, Ugly 5-1, just to let you know I've got visual on 1 times machine gun nest, yellow 6, plus 2 times snipers. There's also civilians running around the red buildings over.
Which is 170, Roger, I'll pass that on. Now.
Ugly 5-1, further to my last, it looks like all the sectors of that town are clear apart from the yellow sector. It's got a hard defence on it over.
Which 170, Roger up.
Hello, Witchcraft 7-0, this is Eagle 1, site report.
So I mean, I don't really know if it's a sighting report from us because it's just like a sit rep we give them because we're so high up.
Well, yeah, it's
Witchcraft 7-0, send over.
a lot of comms need work.
Have eyes on 1 times individual falling nearby your grid that you gave me earlier.
Yeah, so literally, you see those buildings off to our left. I don't know if you can see them.
Buildings.
Yeah, so the town, see the town off to our left. That northwestern corner, see there's a cluster, there's the road goes through and you've got a target, like that yellow truck, that, all the enemy are in that sector, that is enemy all in there. The rest of the town is clear, you've got 1 times Dicker running down on the southwest, but that is it.
Okay.
Dicker's gone into one of the top buildings, blue. Or green one. Dicker keeps looking at us, but
What happens to a shot falls? Not much point when those machine gun nest down there.
no, that's what I mean. If he looks up here, he's going.
What are they down there on the road? Look down the road now, directly beneath us.
Beneath us?
Beneath us now, directly beneath us. Yeah, R2.
I can't see anything beneath us.
I thought there was something there. It looked like people, like
No
trees.
heat signatures. No, I'm not getting heat signatures.
It's cold-blooded killers.
Witchcraft 7-1, this is Ugly 5-1 over.
Witchcraft 70, send over.
Additional to my last, you have 1x Dicker with a pair of binos around the area of Green 8, who's probably giving your location on to the next guys over.
Starlight's blind.
Witchcraft 70, I'm going to try and negotiate his demise now.
This is where we have to be like careful, because we could wipe them all out now. We could just end this for them.
End the whole engagement, I know that's the problem. That's why sometimes using the F-18 gives us that flexibility to not be able to do it.
Ugly 5-1, this is Witchcraft 70.
Ugly 5-1 send over.
Witchcraft 70, reference Dicker. The man from Delmont, he says yes. Vaporise him. Over.
Ugly 5-1, roger. We're just going to get in a battle position and it will be done. Out. If you get us facing southeast.
2-seater F-18 load up with
Witchcraft
extra
7-1,
fuel
it's
tanks
Ugly 5-1, guns,
and
guns,
some
guns.
small CAS limitations you might have to get.
Yeah.
Roger, out.
Witchcraft 7-1, it's Ugly 5-1. Dicker is dealt with. He will no longer be relaying your position over.
Witchcraft 70, roger. Equal take on to finals.
Okay, gonna
Oh shit! Here we go. River. Not that way.
Is this the one where you're operating from or the next valley?
Next valley. This is the town here on our left.
Yes, yeah. Alright, there we go, we see the valley.
Yeah, I see troops moving in.
They're fleeing north from the town, so...
Yeah. Well, I'm looking. I didn't pick anyone up heading north, mate, so I don't think they are. All I see is a lot of dead bodies.
Okay. Bad.
Witchcraft 7-1, this is Eagle 2, over. Yes, sitrep, we've head north and to the west of the town, done a full scan in all areas around there and have failed to establish a fire end plate. We have now have eyes on your friendly forces inside the town. We also have no eyes on any enemy moving to the north of the town. Everyone looks dead, over.
Witchcraft 70, right that we are still receiving, we have just received 3 times rounds of IDF. Fucking hell.
Eagle 2, roger. We'll continue searching to the north of the town, but they may be hidden inside some buildings, over. So that red paint on the floor down there, that's weird.
Red paint?
Yeah, it's just red.
Right.
By the town, by them. Oh, mortars are going in.
Shit. I can hear it, mate.
It looks fucking carnage down there. Friendly troops have pulled back. I can't see that firing position, mate. It's just not here.
Yeah. What if it's on a ridge somewhere?
Mate, I'm literally scanning everything in thermals. Nothing here.
Well, help with scanning, mate. Who knows how?
See it? Oh, unless that's it. Right, I have visual.
Eagle 2, this is Witchcraft 70 over.
Eagle 2, send over.
Witchcraft 70, you are clear to engage yellow 7, yellow 7. Choice of weapons, yours over.
Oh, are you turning us again?
Let me just
Eagle
check on
2,
the map
yellow
where it is.
7, roger, we'll do LGB. Yeah, I was on it, mate. I was going to put a laser on, but fucking...
Oh yeah, sounds good. Yeah, gotcha.
I've lost it all now.
Apologies, can you
Eagle 2, Eagle.
egress and ingress to that HLS then?
Witchcraft 70, HLS, start and grid at 0, 2, 6, 7, 1, 4, 4,
Nope.
5.
No.
Ingress via...
I'll just do a gun run, mate. I'll just gun run it. Fucking, I think we got the wrong GPUs on it or something.
Yeah, whoever's putting them on's putting the wrong shit on. Fucking no use, mate. Those guns are shit.
I think I hit his neighbours as well.
Eagle 2 going in for one more attempt at CCIP on the GPUs, and then we're going to RTB.
Witchcraft 70, roger out.
Giant 2, Giant 1 over.
Pickle.
Looks good. Oh no, miss.
Hello, Giant.
Fuck, do it again.
Oh, visual. Is that them? No, I can't. I literally can't see the friendlies. I can see the bird going in. Ah, visual. Chinnock's in. This is a good orbit.
Giant 2,
Ooh,
Giant 1 over.
there's a vehicle, mate. There's a vehicle somewhere.
Oh, we still got the Mavericks on, so we have to lock on these twats.
So Starlight, this is Witchcraft 70 over. Witchcraft 70,
That's
push south, you are in range.